See what this person said about this
Oh,
issue.
very nice.
What do you think? What do you think?
Oh,
Just
very
listen to what he
nice.
said about this
Yes,
issue.
no, body mass
Tell
now.
me what you think in the
Wow.
comment section.
I'm not.
All right, to the new CPO.
Oh, very nice.
Hmm?
Oh, very nice.
Yes, no, body mass now.
Oh, very nice.
I'm not.
All right, to the new CP of Bayelsa State, Iyama Daniels. Those are the last few words of Patrick Peresode. You heard him. He kept on calling the name of Bodmas, and he could not really talk. See the voice where the boy they call the name. Bodmas, Bodman, Bodmas. So this particular case, CP, this particular case will be a test of your credibility and your integrity as the new Commissioner of Police in Bayelsa State. You must bring Bodmas Kemepadi, Prince Bodmas Kemepadi, to justice. Let us know now if truly this man controls Bayelsa State, like they say he does. They said he has bribed the police, that he's so influential and nobody will do him anything. They are just waiting for this case to cool down. And we say no. Now, why I'm very, very particular about this case is because most of us in this generation are social media users. The Gen Zs, the youth, most of us will use social media to do businesses, to communicate. Sometimes people insult me, I insult you. You know, they do it a lot on social media. I will not believe that because of insult me, insult you on social media, you sent your boys. Not that you sent your boys, you went with your boys to go and pick this boy in the early hours of 15th January, this same January, 15th January 2026, when people they happy say New Year don't start. You and your boys go to the boy house, carry this boy, went to your house, tie him like a goat, hands to the back, legs to the back. You beat this boy with iron, broke his bones, his spinal cord, you broke his neck. Then you now carry the pieces of, after you have dealt with him, you carry and go down for police station. Then police self can't carry the boy like that, kept the boy there. Until when they see, okay, this boy won't buy, now una release the boy. Then at the end of the day, the boy don't buy. Then una say una want this connection, take hold the case. It's not going to work. It's not going to work. Yes, the boy, the boardmass is connected, but no be so it be. Now, to the youth of Bayelsa, is on. Make I tell una wetin dey. No one no be say one or two things. If police no go do am, una stand on the ground, make that guy no enter that community. Or any of una job community, make him wanna banish am from una kingdom. Because this is a social media talk. If you know if you take wetin the boy dey talk, you leave am. Which one you go tell boys till they buy the boy? If we keep quiet for something like that, we have started we don't start new series or things like that happening. And just the way that boy talk, I go dey watch the boy page. He has always called Bodmas, I mean a bad man, that is evil name. He has always called him an evil person. And truly, the boy no lie. To the Commissioner of Police, Iyama Daniels, you are new in Bayelsa. This will be a test of your credibility and your integrity. To the Inspector General of Police, sure you can, and what's the name of that police station? Poor father. We have heard a lot of things about you. Some of them are good, some of them are bad. But this one will rub off on all of now. You people should provide Bodmas, Prince Kemepadi. Not just him. And again, lastly, to that in friend where the chief priest, where tell the mother of that boy, say that boy, they don't carry and go torture. Where show Bodmas the house of Patrick Peresodi. Make una Ijo youths, Abina Izon. Ijo youth, mona go in house, mona pursue and come up for our community as well. Because now him and that guy follow do that thing. He's an accomplice in this case. People should not keep quiet. Forget the connection where they get. Mona no gree. They're not big past the community. They are not bigger than your community. No matter no matter the connection they have, they are not bigger than the community. They are not bigger than the whole Bayelsa. Mona no gree. Mona no keep quiet. Mona no gree at all. Mona enter the street. Mona fish them out. Make it come up for that community. Unless if the police are ready to do their work, maybe they arrest them. They make justice, they say. Else, that person should not be in that community. Mona find out anywhere where they. Social media world, now you go carry person, break his spinal cord, you break your neck. Mona make sure. And to the Commissioner of Police, this case is a test. You are a new commissioner in Bayelsa. This is a test of your integrity. And a test to show whether you dey collect money or not, whether you be bad police officer or not. Do your work.